YouTube channel. I am so happy to see you. So let's jump to the today's topic. So in last video, if you have seen that I have learned about that how to run open your YouTube or Google. So let's review that what have we learned. So for the new viewers who are not have see our previous video. So okay, I can this do this, and first of all we will run. So this is our chatbot, small, in which we will enter some given commands like you can see here in create. So we will write from this, we will extend this, and I will tell you in the future that how to extend this list. So we can do that's it. Okay. Let's see, hello, it's printing randomly and hello and run. So if we like this hello, and it is still running because we have right here you can see lower command that whatever we will give input, then it will lower it command, and we can run and execute our program. So some few features we will add, that for example we want to open YouTube. You can write here, you will write here this one only. So let's see it. Right, YouTube, and yes, it is running, working. So now we will see that whether it is exiting or no. Oh yes, you can see that user is exit. So in my mind, one thing more, if we write here YouTube, uh, suppose we want to give okay, or we will write here YT in user. So whether is it working or not. So we will try it and run it the best way to perform it. By doing it, learn. So we will write here YT. Yes, it is still working. So it's mean you can write as many as or command. If anybody knows the shortcut, so that whatever we will write here, or we can how to make it this more readable and easy, so kindly comments in the comments box. So let's get jump to the today's topic. So now you are able to open YouTube. So i want to I want to open YouTube, but with my desired or favorite song. So for example, I will write here Aleph. So first of all, we need to import. There are many maybe libraries, but I am aware of this import by what. Okay. So I hope so that it is installed in my computer, because we have to, otherwise we have to, you know that. So for example, we will write L Malu. Okay, L Malu. Okay, yeah, okay. This is user. Okay, you can see that. So we will in user. Okay. Okay. This is something difficult. So we will first try to make another function with the name of that. So let's make it more print, more user friendly. So right, is into the song name. Song is equal to input, or you can lower it. No need, but we will don't waste time. Song and okay, I will hit. Okay, we will just hit this and this. I would hit dot song name and your song is. So let's see that whether our this function is working or not. I am very confused. Confusion is very good. So it is taking time. Okay, it is ready. So I will write what we have created. Okay, but we have to print here. Aleph song song user music. So let's try now. Now let's see whether it is working or not. I think it's not working. It is not working. So let's debug. Let's see what is the problem in our program. So it is importing music, but it is not asking for the same. Okay, now we will try to figure it out that LF music. Maybe we have to write some other way. Music, LF. Okay, let's see whether it's working directly or not. No, it's not good practice. So what is the so that's it. Half of the programming is to debug. So you have to master this strategy before move forward. So I just want to see that what is why it is not working despite some. So it's hung in to understand why it is. Something we are missing. I cannot see that what is the problem. Oh, it's just simply opening. So maybe in music command we have Okay, we will try another way. So just close it. We will write Sona, and now we will run. Okay, Sona. Okay, it is still not working. So what is the problem? Sona. So music run. Then you should print. Should print. Okay, for example, we it's called site this. Okay, now we will try to run. Why are you running? First of all, good. Run. Okay, this is still not working. So our this plan is failed. Strategy is not working. We know that video is becoming so long. Okay, maybe this time I will succeed. I hope so. So run program. No, it's still not working. So bro, what's this video is song in song print your song. So, okay, this is not working still. Okay, That's it for today because video is becoming too long. I don't want to waste your time. So thank you for coming.